Meet DesignSite, the all-in-one business management platform for holiday lighting pros. From first customer contact to final invoice, it keeps your operation organized, efficient, and ready to shine. Start with a clean dashboard showing key metrics, jobs, and financials at a glance. One click takes you to proposals, projects, invoices, and more. Quickly build proposals from preset packages or itemized lists and send them for instant online approval. Manage projects end-to-end with tools for designs, work orders, scheduling, and finances. Bring ideas to life with the Designer tool. Upload a property photo, overlay decor, auto-generate material lists, and even create blueprints for your crew to follow on site. Schedule installs and removals with crew management. Assign team members, track hours and costs, and view labor expenses in real time. Stay stocked with inventory management. Track storage locations, generate pick lists, and order directly from the Holiday Bright Lights catalog with live inventory and pricing. Manage customers and properties in one place. Store contacts, history, and notes so every interaction feels personal. When it's time to get paid, send invoices customers can pay online by card, ACH, or wallet. From proposals to payment, DesignSite keeps your holiday lighting business running smoothly so you can focus on creating magic for your customers. DesignSite. Design, manage, deliver. Visit DesignSite app to learn more.